Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss what is 15% of $30. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's start with today's video solution. So 15% of $30, we can write in place of percentage is 1 by 100 because the symbol is equals to 1 by 100. So 15 times 1 by 100 of means multiplication $30. So it's 15 by 100 times $30. So we can cancel out the 0 with 0 and 15 by 10. If we reduce by canceling it with 5, so it's 3 and it's 2. So 3 times $3 by 2, that is 6, 9 by 2, which is equals to $4.5. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.